this is a wild one. This is the Bloody Mary pickle Jello shot. What does that mean? Watch and you will see. Start off with some tomato juice, and now we can follow that, okay? We heat it up, and then we come behind it with gelatin, guys, all right? And we stir that gelatin in, and gelatin is what makes Jello. So you squeeze in some lime juice, some Worcestershire sauce. We put in the Bloody Mary ingredients now. Some Tabasco, black pepper, stir, stir, stir. That's right, because this wouldn't be on this channel if there was no booze in there, so we hit it with a touch of Vladimir Putin. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, now we grab our pickles, and watch what we do to these pickles, okay? These are zesty dill holes. We go in and we scoop out the middle. You get what we're doing here? So this is really for pickle lovers. Like me, I couldn't do this, okay? I don't like Bloody Marys, I don't like pickles, so I'm nowhere near this. But this for you guys that love this. And so now we cut off the bottom so it could stand. And now we take our Bloody Mary Jello mix and we pour it in, and then we put that in the refrigerator to harden, slice it up, and we're good to go. So now you're eating your Bloody Mary and your favorite vegetable pickles. Stay tipsy. God help you.